This is our November checkpoint review. Our first problem is the children in Miss Behrens' class have graphed their favorite animal. Look at the graph. So it's the picture graph. We need to count each picture, and we have 3 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 5 birds, 1 frog. Which animal is the least favorite of the children in Miss Behrens' class? So we know that least means little, smallest amount. And so we look and say, which number is the less? 3, 5, or 1? 1. And there is 1 frog. So we circle frog. Down at the bottom it says, how many students like birds? So we're going to go over here to birds, and we're going to go across, and we have 5 birds. We're going to circle A, 5. All right, number 3. Number 3 we did in class. So it was a window pane on how many students like chocolate milk and white milk. So we took our chocolate milk, 6 friends up here. White milk was 4 friends. We X'd out the strawberry because we didn't need it. So we came over here and we wrote 6 plus 4, and 6 plus 4 equals to 10. We would put our 10 in our line and our circle 10 up here. The adding 6 and 4 sum put together. That's for our addition window pane. Number 4. Jeffrey put a counter on 7. He counted by tens. So we start at 7, and we want to know what are the next 3 numbers he counted. So when we count by tens, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can't count to 10 again. So we go up to 7. We already started at 7. We don't want to put 7 in our line. So we're going to put 7. We went to 17, 27, 37. And we learned when we count by tens, whatever we start with, that should be the ending number. And then the first number changes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we did want to write the next number, we know we would need a 5, and it has to end in a 7. So it would be 57. All right. Number 5. Juliana picked 10 white flowers. Then she picked 4 yellow flowers. How many flowers did she have altogether? So we decided flowers altogether goes in our main idea. I'll put a line and a number for how many. And we say Juliana picked 10 white flowers. JWF. And we write 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 white flowers. And then she picked 4 yellow flowers. Juliana's yellow flowers. So we say JYF. And then she picked 4 of those. And we say, how many flowers did she have all together? That is a plus. So we're going to put them together to find them all. Blank, circle, blank equals Foxy. Because we put them together, we need a plus. 10 plus 4. So if I start at 10, and I count 4 more, I know this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. My answer is 14. Go up here and circle it, and then I write my words. Okay, when I plus, that's add. Add, I put sum. They are both little tiny words that mean the same. Blank and blank. Put my 2 numbers. And I need put together. We call that adding, put together. Adding, put together. Alright, number 6. Most friends did well on this. We have 10 in the 10 frame. 3 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. Down at the bottom, what does this number sentence show? We have black ones. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 black ones plus There's no X's, so we know there's not takeaway. We say how many gray? 4. And then we have 8 black, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or you could say this whole thing is 10, and 2 more makes 12. And that's letter C. Number 8. David went to the beach and found 7 black shells and 7 white shells. How many shells did David find? So again, we want shells. David find. Line and number. David went to the beach and found 7 black shells. David, B-X, black shells. He did 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 white shells. David's white shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know I want to know how many shells did he find all together. So we're going to put them together. And I notice 7 plus 7. Oh, that's a double. And I know 7 plus 7 makes 14. But if I didn't remember my double, 7 plus 7 equals 14, I could still count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is my answer. Circle it up top. Again, plus means to add. When I say adding, we say put together. Blank and I say and I need some. 7 and 7. Alright, number 9. Ethan and Jordan went to the aquarium. Ethan saw 5 sharks. Jordan saw 9 sharks. How many more sharks did Jordan see than Ethan? How many more means compare. How many more means match up. How many more means subtract. So those keywords, how many more, no, we want to know that how many more sharks Jordan than Ethan. So we say Ethan saw 5 sharks. Ethan's sharks was 5. Now if I know I'm comparing, I'm going to put my boxes, and I know means how many more means compare. How many more means match up. In order to match them up, I have to put numbers. This is our new window pane. So I have 5 sharks. Then I have Jordan sharks. Jordan saw 9 sharks. So now I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's very helpful if you can put them as close as being the same as possible. So that way, when we match them up, 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So, how many more? How many is more? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 more that Jordan saw than Ethan. So my answer is 4. Now I know when I get a smaller number, that is called subtracting. Because when my answer gets smaller, I only have 4 more I need to subtract. So I'm going to put a minus. And I know the bigger number has to go first when I subtract. So I know 9 has to go here. 9 minus 5. And then I have 4 more that don't have partners. So my answer is 4. And this is subtracting. And I say blank from blank. 9 goes last. 5 goes first. When I say subtract is a big word, so I need the word difference. And how many more means compare. And so we need C-O-M-P-A-R-E. This is called compare. Alright, here's our last one. Number 10. Kelsey has 8 dolls and 5 cars. How many more dolls does Kelsey have than cars? Again, how many more means compare. So when I see how many more, I know I need to compare the dolls. More dolls, Kelsey, than cars. And I need to find a number for how many. Kelsey's dolls, Kelsey's cars. Kelsey has 8 dolls. When I know I'm comparing, I can go ahead and write my numbers in my boxes. And then I know she has 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 8. Okay, so how many more means compare? How many more means match up? So I gotta match them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is more? 1, 2, 3 more. So my answer is 3. Again, this is a subtraction because we're getting a smaller number. Our bigger number is 8 minus the 5, and so I answer a 3. 3, 3. I subtract blank from blank. So I switch the places. 8, 5. I need to say difference. So when I say subtract, I must say difference. And then this is a new compare. Thank you so much for watching. And if you watched and you can give me the bonus word of turkey, then you can come see Miss Behrens for a free stuffed animal pass. But you have to tell Miss Behrens the bonus word of turkey. Thank you. Keep practicing and do your best. Bye.